Learn Gujarati fast. No problem, gladly, I understand and more in
Gujarati.
Welcome to your Gujarati mini adventure. Hey, you're about to learn 6 super useful Gujarati phrases without falling asleep on your textbook. And if you do fall asleep, at least you'll know how to say.
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
Picture this. You arrive in Gujarat with confidence, curiosity, and the kind of bravery usually seen in people who say, yes, I can totally learn a language before lunch. Then real life begins. Someone thanks you, someone asks you something, someone apologizes, and your brain starts doing cartwheels in slow motion. That is exactly why today you'll learn 6 survival gems.
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
For, no problem.
ખુશીથી.
For, gladly.
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
For, I am tired.
હું સમજુ છું.
For, I understand.
હું જાણું છું.
For, I know, and.
મને ખબર નથી.
For, I don't know. These are small phrases with big powers. They can save conversations, make you sound polite, and prevent you from responding to every situation with a panicked smile and interpretive dancing. The friendly rescue phrases. Let's start with 2 phrases that make you sound kind, calm, and like a person who definitely did not just panic internally. First, no problem, in Gujarati is.
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Use it when someone says sorry or worries about a small mistake. Imagine a friend arrives late and looks guilty. You smile and say,
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Instantly, the mood relaxes. Second, gladly, is.
ખુશીથી.
This is your cheerful little word for willing help. Someone asks, can you help me? And you say,
ખુશીથી.
boom. You sound helpful, warm, and possibly like the hero of a very polite movie. Try this tiny dialogue aloud. A. Sorry I'm late. B.
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
A. Can you come with me? B.
ખુશીથી.
Funny memory trick.
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Feels like waving away a problem with one hand. And.
ખુશીથી.
Sounds cheerful because it carries the feeling of happiness and willingness. When your battery hits 1%. Now let's learn the phrase every human, student, parent, worker, and dramatic couch collapser needs. I am tired, in Gujarati is.
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
Imagine you climb stairs, carry bags, answer emails, survive a long day, and then gently flop onto a sofa like a noble potato. That is your moment. You sigh and say,
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
Try it after me.
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
One more time, but with full end of day drama.
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
You can imagine your body as a phone at 1% battery. Not dead yet, technically functioning, but emotionally? Very much.
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
Aha, I get it. This next phrase is perfect for lessons, conversations, and those magical moments when confusion finally packs its bags and leaves. I understand, is.
હું સમજુ છું.
Use it when something becomes clear. Your teacher explains the rule, your friend repeats the plan, or your GPS finally stops speaking like a mysterious poet, and you say,
હું સમજુ છું.
TL Latin, hum samajam chum. Now compare it with, I know, which is.
હું જાણું છું.
This one is about knowing a fact, an answer, a person, or information. For example, I know the answer, becomes.
હું જાણું છું.
In short response form. Easy contrast. If meaning becomes clear, say.
હું સમજુ છું.
If the answer is already in your brain, say.
હું જાણું છું.
Mini scene. A. Do you get it now? B.
હું સમજુ છું.
A. Do you know the answer? B.
હું જાણું છું.
The honest hero phrase. And now, one of the most useful phrases in any language, the brave, humble, extremely practical, I don't know. In Gujarati, I don't know, is.
મને ખબર નથી.
This phrase is powerful because it is honest. You do not need to pretend. You do not need to invent nonsense. You do not need to point at the sky and say, perhaps the answer lives in the clouds. You can simply say,
મને ખબર નથી.
Imagine someone asks, where is Ravi? You shrug naturally and answer.
મને ખબર નથી.
Or the teacher asks a hard question. Your brain opens the cupboard, finds nothing, and calmly says,
મને ખબર નથી.
Honest language is useful language. The super short comedy dialogue. Let's put all 6 phrases into one silly little story so they stick in your memory. You are visiting a friend in Ahmedabad. You knock on the door. Your friend opens it and says, sorry, I'm late. You smile like a calm language champion and reply.
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Then your friend asks, can you help me carry these bags? You answer heroically.
ખુશીથી.
After carrying what feels like 47 bags of mangoes, snacks, and mysterious metal containers, you whisper.
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
Your friend explains which bag goes where. At first, your face looks like a confused pancake. Then suddenly it clicks. You nod and say,
હું સમજુ છું.
Then your friend asks, do you know which container has the sweets? You point proudly and say,
હું જાણું છું.
Finally, your friend asks, do you know where I put the house keys? You pause. You think. You check your pockets, the table, and possibly your soul. Then you admit.
મને ખબર નથી.
Congratulations. You just survived a whole mini conversation in Gujarati. Quick recall challenge. Time for a fast review. I'll give the English, and you say the Gujarati aloud. No pressure. Okay, tiny pressure. No problem.
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Gladly.
ખુશીથી.
I am tired.
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
I understand.
હું સમજુ છું.
I know.
હું જાણું છું.
I don't know.
મને ખબર નથી.
Now one more mixed round. Someone apologizes.
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Someone asks for help.
ખુશીથી.
Your legs are done.
હું થાકી ગયો છું.
The lesson makes sense.
હું સમજુ છું.
The answer is clear.
હું જાણું છું.
The answer is not clear at all.
મને ખબર નથી.
You did it. Nice work. You just learned 6 useful Gujarati phrases that real people actually use. Today you practiced.
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી. ખુશીથી. હું થાકી ગયો છું. હું સમજુ છું. હું જાણું છું.
And.
મને ખબર નથી.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases during your day, and don't worry about mistakes. In fact, if you make one, just smile and say,
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.